Hey, is your Discord running really slow on your PC? Yeah, laggy chats, delayed notifications, and sluggish menus can be super annoying. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Discord slow performance on PC in 2026. Let's get it running smoothly. First, close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Apps like browsers, games, or streaming software can eat up memory and CPU, slowing Discord down. Hardware acceleration uses your GPU to improve performance. Go to Discord user settings, then advanced, then turn on hardware acceleration. Restart Discord after enabling it. Discord's cache can slow things down over time. Close Discord, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, open the Discord folder, and delete the cache folder. Then reopen Discord. Make sure you're using the latest Discord version. Click Close and reopen Discord to trigger updates or download the latest version from the official website. Some settings can affect performance. Go to User Settings, Appearance, turn off Animate Emojis, Auto Play GIFs, and other visual effects. Also, in voice and video, set input/output to default devices and disable echo cancellation if not needed. A slow or unstable connection can make Discord feel sluggish. Switch from Wi-Fi to wired Ethernet or run a speed test to ensure your connection is stable. If performance is still poor, uninstall and reinstall Discord. A clean install fixes corrupted files and resets settings to default. And that's it. One of these fixes should improve Discord performance on your PC and make it run smoothly again. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.